Hello and welcome to the Wealth Academy, where we believe anyone can achieve financial freedom with the right knowledge and guidance. In this video, we'll be discussing how to invest in stocks for beginners, and offer tips and advice for those who want to start investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but it can also be risky if you're not careful. That's why it's important to approach investing with a solid understanding of the basics. The first step in investing in stocks is to do your research. Start by educating yourself on the fundamentals of investing, such as how the stock market works, different types of investments, and the risks and rewards of investing. Next, you'll want to set realistic goals for your investments. Think about what you want to achieve with your investments and how much risk you're comfortable taking on. Are you investing for short-term gains, or are you looking to build long-term wealth? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, it's time to start building your portfolio. This can be done by diversifying your investments across different sectors and industries, as well as investing in both large and small companies. Another important factor to consider when investing in stocks is your risk tolerance. It's important to be honest with yourself about how much risk you're willing to take on and to avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. In summary, investing in stocks can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but it's important to approach it with a solid understanding of the basics. Start by educating yourself on the fundamentals, set realistic goals, diversify your portfolio, and be honest about your risk tolerance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wealth Academy for more tips and advice on personal finance and investing.